Hey guys, this is Teals here and here is Teals blog. Today I'm going to show you how to build a chatbot with anything, a full AI agent that can actually work for you, for your business, for your career. And for this video, we're going to build a career support AI agent that you can send to your clients or use in business to handle questions, offer advice, or even chat on your behalf. Think of this like a career companion or a business support agent that works around the clock. But before we start building this, let me show you exactly how this works. So let's see quickly. This is just going to be the interface. And here we have the AI agent saying, "Hi there, my name is Teals Agent, Apana Assistant." We're going to ask it 3 questions and we're going to see the response to these questions. So the first question I'm going to put here, the question is, who is Teals and why should I care about what is built? Send this and you can see the AI agent responding on my behalf. Teals is an AI engineer, AI agent builder, and a YouTuber specializing in creating. This is actually a perfect response according to what we train this AI to do. So I'm going to ask it the second question. It says, can you show me what kind of AI agents Teals had built before? This actually works best for people who work with clients and want the client to see what they've done before, share their portfolio and the things they've built. I'm going to send this and you can see here, it says, certainly, Teals has built a variety of AI agents that showcase practical and innovative solutions of artificial intelligence. These often include, these are the things I've actually built. So I've shared few of my portfolio with this AI agent and it can respond accurately to questions asked. We're going to ask it one more question. I will see the response. So I am new to AI. Can Teals teach me how to build my own agent from scratch? I'm going to say this and you can see what it said. Absolutely, Teals specializes in teaching people at all levels. So this actually responded on my behalf. This can work perfectly for your business or for your career or for whatever. So without further ado, let's get right into the business of the day and let's build this for you. So for this tutorial, we're going to use N8N. So N8N is a platform that allows you to integrate a lot of stuff, and this is one of the best automation platforms right now for AI agents that is low code or no code. All right, so to get started, you're going to come here, right? Come to this space and going to click on Get Started. Once you click on Get Started, then you're going to register, put in your details, your emails and all of that. Then once you sign up, this page is going to open up to you. And here you can come here and create a workflow. And once you click on that, you have this canvas open up for you. Here you can move this canvas around and play around with it. Now there are a few things you have to learn on this interface. The first is that this is the first node, right? And this is where we add all of the steps. You can come here and actually click on this to add other nodes or do the same thing with this plus button. All right, so what we need to do to get started is to add the first trigger. It can be anything, might be Telegram, WhatsApp, might be on form subscription, a lot of things. Let's see that. A manual trigger on events, we can do it on schedule, we can do it on a web hook call. Yeah, on form submission, when somebody submits a form, we can do this. But right now, we're going to just use on chat message to make it simple and clear. So here, we're going to add the parameters. What are we going to put in the text? Now we're going to customize the message chat. Of course, we're building a chatbot, a simple chatbot. We're going to make this public, right? This link is what I can use, and I can even use outside N8N. So I can come here and scroll down. Authentication is still none. I can decide to make users register through their N8N account or just create a simple username and password for anyone who can access this chatbot. All right, this is very simple. All right, and you can actually just integrate this in your website if you have one, but if you don't have one, I can just go straight and use this in the example I showed you earlier. Now I'm going to come here. I'm just going to say none for this example. So what message do you want your chat to display first? So you can edit that. I can say, probably my name is Teals. I'm going to edit this. I'm going to say my name is Teals Agent. How can I assist you today? All right, so this works perfectly, and we can come here and test this. You can actually test this and say I. All right, say that I. Do you see that there's a node execution? This is successful. Node executed successfully. So we only have a chat bot here. We have to add a lot of stuff, add our AI agents so that this can actually work perfectly. So all we need to do is to come here, drag this to the side, select this, I'm going to type AI agents. All right, you can see our AI agents right here. And we're also going to add that. And this interface is going to open up. So what do we need to do here? So we need to set up our AI agent, give the system message what we want this AI agent, the role and everything we want. So first and foremost, we need to leave this as it is. It's connected to a chat trigger node. So the next thing is that we're going to require a specific output format. We want to leave this output format, require specific output format off, leave it off. And the same thing, we'll come to this option right here. I'm going to say system message. All we have here is just you are a help file system. Right, I'm just going to paste what I already copied. It might be your business details. Come here and come to expression, and we expand this right here. We say you are an AI assistant for TIOs, an AI engineer, an AI agent builder, YouTuber. Your purpose is to assist users by providing a clear information about TIO's background and technical skills, describing the services he offers, including AI agent development, automation solution, and educational content. Alright, directing users to his YouTube channel where it teaches how to build and deploy AI agents, offering guidance on how to connect or collaborate with him. Always refer to TIOs in the third person. Maintain a professional, knowledgeable, and helpful tone. Only share verified services and contact method. Do not fabricate or assume any capabilities beyond what TIOs publicly provide. Alright, so this can actually be modified to anything you think is convenient for you, for your business, for your brand. And so you have like a chatbot, 24/7 chatbot that can actually respond to your clients. Now this can be robust. We can have an external memory where we store all of this, everything about your company, everything about your business, everything about your career. Right, I'm going to come out of this expression. I'm going to come out of this canvas. So now we have our AI agents, but we have few issues here. We need a chat model, and that's the LLM. That's how like the brain of the AI agents. So for this, we're going to use the OpenAI chat model. So I'm going to use the OpenAI chat model. All right, so this is going to be the LLM. For us to use this, we need to connect our OpenAI accounts through the API credential. So to do that, we're going to click here and you say create a new credential. So here we need to have an API key from our OpenAI account. And how we go about that is you can just come here to this documentation that N8N provides. Then you can scroll down. If you don't have an account with OpenAI, you can come here and create an account. And once you're done creating your account, you can come here and click on the API key pages. And you can see here, you can actually create a new secret key. So what I call this, so I'm going to call this TIO's agent. All right. I'll leave it as default and I'm going to create the pin. So I'm just going to copy this, right? I'm going to copy this and you can see this has been created. Before you go, you need to put at least $5 in the OpenAI account so that this can work. That's just, of course, it's not like you're going to use all of that. Probably you might not finish it in 6 months, but OpenAI required you to put some amount of money. Like I think the least you can do is $5. You can use some other models like Gemini. Gemini is currently free for now. Just go on Google and search how you can get the Gemini API key. Once you get the API key, you can just continue with that. That is completely free. I'm just going to go back to my anything and I'm going to put my API key. So I just pasted my API key right here and I'm going to save this. And you can see when you see this growing connection tested successfully, that means you're on the right track. And here we can see we've connected OpenAI account right here. And here you can actually select the model you want. For this project, I'm going to use the GPT-4 mini. You can change that depending on what you want to do. I think it just vary based on what you want to use them for. So I would recommend GPT-4 mini for this type of. So I'm going to come out of that. Our brain is connected successfully. You can see that you don't have issues with this. Then we need memory. All right, just need a simple memory for this chatbot to remember the few things we talk about. So I'm going to add the memory here, and I'm going to use the simple memory provided by N8N. We practically don't need to do anything here. We can just increase the context window length, probably to, let's say, 30. But this will help the AI to remember the past interactions, at least 30 interactions in the past, right? And this is a chatbot, so we need something like this. Right, I'm going to come out of that, and you can see that right here. All right, now let's test our AI agent and see if this is going to work. So I'm going to open up the chat right here. They have a chat right here. Okay, and we're just going to type hello, send this. So we got a message. This is actually working. All right. So to simply make this work outside any end, you want to click on this again. So you can see we have a public URL here. So you also want to click on this, and this is going to be copied to your keyboard. Make sure you make this publicly available. All right. So let's test this out. All right, it's working. Then we're gonna go bring it down. I want to go to a new tab on my computer. I'm going to paste this link right here. Okay, so we're going to run into this error. And the reason why we run into this error is because our workflow is not like it. So I'm going to come out to my LAN platform and I'm going to make this active. All right. So I'm going to say got it. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to rerun this. And here we go. You can see that. You see a chatbot open, and this is powered by LLM. All right. So you can actually just get this and put it inside, embed this in your website, in your application, whatever it is, and it works perfectly. So let's ask some questions. I want to say something like, what does Theos do? And he answered, Theos is an AI engineer and AI leader. And you can see this actually works perfectly. What can I do with this? You can do a lot of things with this. You can make this your career co-pilot, right? Your career chat bot. You can train this AI in a system message or add an external memory to this AI that talks about your career, your portfolios, everything about everything you do. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.